Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about the hormones in humans. I will talk about some hormones which are important to you at this level, and these hormones, their function and the gland from which they are released. Actually, hormones are all hormones are released from endocrine glands. That means the glands which secrete their secretions directly into the blood. And what is hormone? Hormone is a chemical messenger. Hormones in humans. First, this is the table. Name of the gland, that means the endocrine gland, which gland secretes hormone. Name of the hormone, which hormone is present, which hormone is this, and functions, what functions are they perform. Uh, Number one, pituitary gland. It is present in the brain. Where location is, it is present in the brain. Pituitary gland, it releases a hormone known as growth hormone. It is also called as GH, growth hormone. What is the function of it? You already learned that the growth which occurs in adolescence, it is due to the growth hormone that is responsible for increase in height. The height of human is controlled by the growth hormone which is released by pituitary gland. Next, pituitary gland controls the activities of lot of glands, uh, and that is why pituitary gland is also called as master gland. Why pituitary gland is called master gland? Because it controls the activity of, or because it controls the lot of glands, their secretions or their inhibition of the hormones directly or indirectly. That is why pituitary gland is known as master gland. Next is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes a hormone known as thyroxine. What is the role of thyroxine or function of thyroxine? Controls metabolism. Metabolism means metabolic reactions are the reactions which are taking place inside humans. Whether it may be the reaction like the digestion of food, respiration, these are all metabolic reactions. Protein synthesis, these are all metabolic reactions. And these all metabolic reactions are controlled by thyroxine, which is produced by thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in the neck region. And this thyroxine is a hormone, and it is influenced by the amount of iodine. That is why you need to take in the proper amount of iodine. Deficiency of iodine leads to the goiter in the neck region, and deficiency of iodine also influences or you can say inhibits the thyroxine level. Next is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland secretes a hormone known as adrenaline. Adrenaline, what is the function of adrenaline? It increases heartbeat and blood pressure, or maintains blood pressure, or you can say maintains blood pressure, controls blood pressure. Adrenal gland is present on the kidneys. It is present on the kidneys. When, or you can say fear, it is also known as fear hormone. When you have a sort of fear, you have your blood pressure increases, your heartbeat increases. For example, if a dog barks behind you and you don't see the dog, your heartbeat definitely increases, because your ears transfer the message to the brain, and the brain transfers the message to the adrenaline. This adrenal gland secretes the adrenaline, and adrenaline increases the blood heartbeat, so that the more blood is pumped to our limbs, and we can move faster from the site where there is fear. That is why it is known as fear hormone, or you can say emergency hormone also. Emergency hormone, because at the time of emergency the hormone gets released and our heartbeat becomes more. Next is pancreas. Uh, it secretes insulin. Actually, pancreas has two parts, endocrine part and exocrine part. You don't have to go to the exocrine part also. uh, First we will study about the endocrine part, that means which secretes hormone. And the name of the hormone is insulin. What is the function of insulin? It controls blood level, blood sugar. That means diabetes. Most of the these elders, or you can say these some humans, some individuals, when they do not produce sufficient insulin and they get diabetes, a disease which is caused by deficiency of insulin. Insulin is a hormone which controls blood sugar level. Next is ovaries. Ovaries produce two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Both these are responsible for menstrual cycle control. When the menstrual cycle occur, when what are the stages, these are all under the control of estrogen and progesterone. They are very important for the occurrence of menstrual cycle in a fixed period or in a proper way. The ovaries produce two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, and and what is the function of these hormones? To control menstrual cycle by influencing many organs like uterus, etc. Testes produce, because all these hormones are produced in all humans, males and females, but ovaries are present only in only females, and testes only males. Testosterone is present in males by testes, and what are the functions of testosterone? They produce male characteristics. That means the characters which are present in males: beard, muscular development. These are produced by testosterone, and this testosterone is produced by testes. Thank you. Have a nice day.